You know those store-bought dips that you buy, specifically the tzatziki one? It's always really watery and super disappointing, not that tasty. I'm gonna show you how to make a homemade version. So easy, it's easier than just driving to the shops to buy it. It's full of flavor, and this is thicker than the store-bought stuff and super creamy, so it's automatically better. And it all starts with the Greek yogurt. So today I'm going to be using full-fat Greek yogurt. You want to avoid using the low-fat version because we're actually going to be straining the water out of this yogurt, and the low fat is full of water anyway. Place a sieve over a large mixing bowl and then place a muslin cloth on top, also known as a cheesecloth. Then you want to pour your yogurt on top of that. You're going to tie a knot at the top of that, and you can see that that water is already straining out. We're going to pop this in the fridge and let it do its thing for 24 hours. And guys, you're going to be left with the thickest and creamiest yogurt. It's almost like cheese. Let's move on to the other simple ingredients that are going to go into our tzatziki dip. We're going to chop up some fresh mint. This one is straight out of my garden. Tzatziki wouldn't be tzatziki without lots of freshly minced garlic. Now, here's a really easy way to mince garlic. Chop it up as finely as you can, and then use the blade, the flat part of your blade, to squash the garlic against your chopping board, and that actually finely minces it. Really cool, right? Today I'm using some Lebanese cucumber. I'm going to peel it, and then I'm going to grate it. Now, cucumbers are naturally high in water, and we want a nice thick creamy tzatziki. We don't want that water, right? So we need to also strain our cucumber. See how much water is in here? We want to get rid of all of this so that our dip stays nice and thick and creamy. Our yogurt has been straining for 24 hours, and guys, look at all of the water that's at the bottom of that bowl. Untie your knot and let's just do a little test just so you can see how thick and creamy this yogurt is. Pop your thickened yogurt into a large mixing bowl along with that freshly minced garlic, some salt, olive oil, that freshly chopped mint, and that strained cucumber. And all that's left to do is mix this up. I think that the presentation of a tzatziki dip is really important, and it's actually really simple to achieve. Here's how I do it. Place your tzatziki in your serving bowl. Today I'm just using a lovely white one because that's what I had available. Then with a spoon, you want to create like little divots on top, kind of like a cupcake swirl, but not really, because this is where our drizzle of olive oil is going to leave. So we're creating like little pools of olive oil, which just make this that much more delicious. Sprinkle it with some dried oregano and finish it off with a single lone olive in the center. And guys, restaurant quality. This tzatziki actually intensifies in flavor the longer you leave it in the fridge. And the awesome thing is that it actually keeps for a very long time. You can pop it in the fridge in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks. So it's a great make ahead of time saving dip. And you can just pop it out when your friends come over, your family, with a little bit of fresh bread. In fact, I have some fresh bread here and I'm gonna give this a taste. It just smells amazing, guys. If you could smell this, so good. That is a million times better than anything store-bought. So much creamier, so much thicker, and so much more full of flavor. It's delicious. Try it. Super, super easy to make. You're gonna find the recipe on my website, thescranline.com. I've left a link in the box below. Go check it out. Tag me on social media. Let me know what you think. And if you've got any suggestions on other recipes you'd like to see me make on the Scran line, as always, leave them in the comments down below. I'll see you guys on the next episode of the Scran line. But before I actually leave you, I have some more delicious recipes over there you can try out. If you have any other dip recipes that you'd like to see me make, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know and I'll make it. I love dips. Are you a dip person? I'm a dip person.